Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix photos widget no content available. For example, if you want to try to add as a photo as a widget and after that you see this kind of error is showing which means no content is available as your photo widget. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply close this page, and here what you have to do, first of all, you have to simply press and hold your home screen, and here you have to simply click on edit. So if you want to add a widget or as a photo widget, you can simply search for that. For this, you have to simply search for photos, and after that you can simply select photos here, and you can simply select any of the photos from here, and you can simply select it as a widget, and after that widget is available so to show on your screen. So in this way you can simply customize it. You can make it larger or bigger, but after you have applied widget and you still see that no widget is available, and on that widget no content is available. So there are many reasons for that. So one of the reason is that you have simply deleted that photo from your iPhone or device, and that's why it is showing no content available. So you have to make sure that when you try to put a photo as a widget, you do not have to delete that photo. After that, photo will also be removed from the widget. So you have to make sure that. So if you remove that, you will not see that in the widget again. So what you have to do, you have simply again add the photo for that widget, and you have to make sure that that photo is still available. So if you delete that, then you will not find the photo as the widget on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.